Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make pancakes, and for our very first ingredient we need milk. You can use whichever you have. We equally need some flour, and here we have with us all-purpose flour. We need some sugar, be it granulated or not. We need an egg, one fresh egg to be precise. We need some baking powder, and this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To our bowl of all-purpose flour, we are going to transfer our baking powder. Proceed to give it a good mix and then sift the flour. Zoom in to see how much dirt we have left, so we are going to discard that, and this is our finely sifted all-purpose flour. And to another empty bowl we are going to add some milk powder. If you have liquid milk you can use. Now proceed to add in your sugar. After adding our sugar, we are going to add water. This will enable our sugar dissolve properly. Now into another bowl, pan or cup, crack in your egg. This is in order to avoid mixing a bad egg with everything. Now in your bowl of milk and sugar, proceed to add in your egg and beat it properly until everything is properly combined, and then proceed to add your flour in bits. After mixing properly, you're going to add your salt. Now this salt should have gone in earlier, we are just going to add it now because we forgot. To loosen up our batter, we are going to add in more water. If you want your pancakes extra thick, then no need to add more water, but I'll be adding water as I am frying. This means once I must have fried my pancakes for a while, I'm going to add water to the batter because it's getting thick. To our secret ingredient, we have with us palm oil, and to a frying pan you add some palm oil, heat up, and then proceed to add your pancake batter. Now if you're wondering why am I adding palm oil to pancakes, I'm adding palm oil to pancakes because I realized it gives it a crunchy texture. the second method, you can just add in your palm oil to your pancake mixture so that you will fry without having to add oil to your frying pan. And this is what we have, some pancake cookie. Forgive me, however, this is what we have. So we are going to flip from time to time in order for us to see if we are satisfied with the pancake color or perhaps the nature of the pancake. So this is what we have after adding our palm oil to our pancake mixture, and you can just fold in the frying pan and serve. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.